Hello everyone, today we're making bean toast. It's a spicy and original recipe. So first off, we're going to chop some chili, one entire piece with the stems. Then we're going to take some olive oil and put our chili to fry while stirring. Make sure that it takes the heat, but does not burn. Next, we're going to take some garlic, peel it, and chop it in small pieces. Then we're adding it to a pan, again stirring well to integrate the new ingredient. Afterwards, we're taking a red onion and cutting it in pieces, horizontally and vertically cuts. Adding it to a pan and stirring with a circular motion with more energy. Then we can add some brown sugar and white vinegar. Then we're taking tomatoes, cutting them in small pieces and adding them to the pan to make a puree. After, we're going to peel potatoes, cutting them and putting water into a pressure cooker. Then we can add our potatoes and let them cook for a bit. In the meantime, we're going to add our beans, white beans, to a pan, stirring them into the mix. We want to make sure that we don't cook them too much, so they keep a good consistency. And we stir, stir, stir. Then we have our potato ready, so we can put them into a flap container and smash them into a puree. Adding some flour for texture and preparing a paste for potato cakes. Then we're putting some flour on a flattening surface with our puree, so we can make toast shapes. Then we're taking a second pan and putting olive oil, so we can put our potato toast and fry them one side at a time. We are looking for a delicious brown color, so we can flip them when it's ready. Finally, we can serve our bean mixture onto our potato toast. And voila! Bon appétit! Don't forget to like, follow, and download the Toast Recipe app to discover more recipes like this one. Ciao ciao!